So batching. So you can batch up tasks. Like if you have a lot of, instead of doing all your DNS tickets immediately, let them accumulate and do them once a day. Because you have to open a window, bring up the editor, blah, 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 blah. If you do that multiplied by 10 updates, that's 10 windows opening and blah, blah, blah. Instead, you could just open it once, batching. Wonderful. And if you communicate this to users, they'll get used to it. They'll start saying, oh, we need to get those DNS requests in really quick because we know Tom does it once a day. Where I work, all Google employees start on Monday. It's crazy. I mean, company-wide. Because we're that coordinated, we're that anal retentive. But as a result, the people that do the new user orientation know that every Monday, that's where they're going to be. The people that install new workstations for new employees know that on Friday, the Friday prior, the workstations have to be at the person's desk. The people that are account managers have to create all those accounts by the Thursday or Friday. Actually, really by Monday morning. Well, now it's automated, so they don't have to do any work. It feeds from the HR system. The account just exists. It's beautiful. But prior to that, accounts were created. So you take one thing and say, no, it's going to happen at a regular interval, and all of a sudden, the whole rest of your organization starts working around that cycle, and it can be a beautiful thing. I already mentioned the weekly walk-around technique with the Bell Labs story. Now, the opposite of batching is sharding. We have one task that's so big, how are we going to get it all done? You want to shard it. You break it into little shards. So if we have to touch every machine in our enterprise and put it on the new automated management system so that we don't have to walk around and touch machines anymore, maybe we're going to visit 10 machines every morning. Or maybe we're going to do a conversion by hallway and announce, we have 5 hallways. We're going to do this every Monday for the next 5 weeks. I did this once at Bell Labs. And the day that was their hallway's day to be upgraded, luckily it was during the summer, and each group decided, well, we'll just hold our department picnic on that day, which meant it was the first year that the sysadmins didn't get invited to any of the picnics. But we got the upgrade done. Or at home, I cleaned 1/8 of the storage